this video I'm going to show you how to rewind a Skil 40-volt string trimmer with a twist and load string trimmer head. First thing before we can get started is remove the battery. Now we don't have any string trimmer line sticking out, but we need to make sure there's no string trimmer line caught inside the string trimmer head. You need to find these little buttons here. There's one on this side and one on the corresponding, and you need to push them in. Now these are really tough, so push them in and then pull the cap off a little bit. Go to the other side and do the same thing. Push them in and pull the cap off. And pop right off. And we can look in here and make sure there's no string line stuck in the string trimmer head. Yep, there's none. Put this back on, and you're going to line it back up, same way it came off. Make sure these tabs here line up with the slots. One on either side. Push it on, and it'll click back into place. Keep your fingers clear. There we go. Make sure that side's clicked in. Perfect. Now we're going to take our 0.080 string trimmer line, and we're just going to find one of these eyelets. It's going to be two of them, one on the other side. Just going to take one and then thread the string trimmer line in, and it's going to come out the other side. We're going to pull half of it through, so we have half on either side. We're going to hold this base, this red ring, still, and then we're going to twist this head anti-clockwise. Wind this in until we have about 5 inches of string line sticking out on either side. A little bit short on that side, but it'll work its way out. And that's how to rewind the string trimmer line on this Skil 40-volt brushless string trimmer.